Just download FFmpeg from this website. The link is in the description below. Unzip the file and copy the 3 files to a folder that you create, for instance, on your desktop. Paste the video that you want to transcode to MP4, also in the same folder. Next, open the CMD prompt. Copy the path of your folder and paste it in the prompt window. Then, type FFmpeg -i the name of your input video. The extension of the file. Next, the output file .mp4 and press enter. Now, your video will start transcoding. When it is done, you can close the prompt window.